thinking. Yeah. Kindness is a gentle way, helping others every day, sharing smiles and lending hands. That's how goodness always stands. Truthfulness is what we say, honest words in every way, even when it's hard to do. We stay strong and we stay true. We choose what is right each day. We shine bright in every way. With love and care we always stay, walking on the virtuous way. Listen up, we got a plan. Be a good girl, be a good man. Kind words, kind deeds every day, helping others on the way. No lies, no cheating, we stay true. Do the right in all we do. Respect, care, that's our style. Spread good vibes with a smile. Respect everyone we meet. Be polite and kind and sweet. Listen well and do our part. Keep good values in our heart. Be responsible and wise. Never give up, always try. Do your work with love and care. Show the world that you are fair. We choose what is right each day. We shine bright in every way. Together we will